Hi, guys. I'm Doreen Calderon, owner of The Recognized Actor, and thanks for coming on to Just to Be Clear, where we talk about different topics in the industry to get clarity around them and how we show up as being an actor. And today we're going to talk about audition stress. I talk to a lot of actors. I am an actor, I go out a lot, so I am living this with you guys. Audition stress is based on fear. We have created the story in our head that if we don't get this job, there's going to be consequences. Like, my agent's going to drop me. The casting office will never call me in again. My family will think I don't know what I'm doing. And none of that is true. We've created the story in our head. I mean, we know as professional actors that the majority of stuff we go out for, we're not going to get. We know that. Yet the stress we create when we have it around auditions is based on this idea that we're not going to get another one. Like, we're not going to get another audition? We know that's not true. Once we remember the odds, once we remember that our only job is to keep showing up, we're never going to need another relaxation technique again. I had my first series regular pilot audition this year. Boy, was I excited. I was in a good place. And I got a call back right away. And I went to network, and it was great. And it was so great. My experience was so great, I was okay with it. That's all I needed. It didn't occur to me that I would get another series regular audition the following week. And I did. I didn't do so well. But it didn't matter because I showed up as me, as a professional actor, knowing that it's a numbers game. So I want to remind you guys that making an audition precious does us no good. Auditions are just another opportunity for us to act, our one-person show, a chance to dissect a script, to get to know the casting office, to see people we haven't seen in a while, to get more experience, a reason to write another thank you note. It's not that precious. We're going to get more. If you want to have more discussions like these, just contact me at therecognizedactor.com. You can see all my contact information, and we can get a conversation going. Let me see, the only thing I have to say for you is quit thinking so much, show up, and have fun.